guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. Hope everybody is doing well and I wish you a very happy Valentine's Day in advance to all my viewers. Love you all. I haven't met you from last 1.5 months, so I hope you remember me. You have not forgotten me. I came up with a very beautiful Valentine soft glam look in this video. If you're interested to know how I create this beautiful look without much of efforts, you can stay tuned and let's just dive into the video. I wasn't been able to film because of certain personal issues and health issues. So here I am back with a bang. Stay tuned and let's just dive into the video to prep my skin. I'm going to use something different in this video. I'm using the Color Spotlight Illuminating Lotion to prep my skin to give my skin a very beautiful glow from within type of look. It has an illuminating properties, so it will prep my skin very beautifully. I'm applying it on all the high points of my face wherever I want that extra dewiness. You know the drill of taking your skincare routine seriously so that your foundation and your entire makeup turns out to be very beautiful. See, it has an illuminating effect already on the high points of my face. So for primer, I'm going to use Color Perfect Match Primer. I have recently started using this primer and trust me, I'm in love with this primer. I'm going to take a pea-size amount of this primer. This fills in your pores very beautifully. I'm taking it on my ring finger. This will instantly blur out your pores and give you a smooth texture for your foundation. I really love this primer. I can see the hype why this primer is loved by so many people all over the world. For today's particular look, I'm going to use a very beautiful foundation which has recently launched, the e.l.f. Satin Finish Foundation. I really love the consistency and the coverage this foundation offers, and I'm also excited to use the Camo Concealer Sponge, which is also from e.l.f. This is a very beautiful sponge. You're going to see this while I apply my foundation. So I'm going to take one pump of this foundation. This is a very thin consistency foundation, so you may require 2 pumps of it to cover your entire face. So we are going to use little by little. I'm going to do dots on my face to get that extra coverage. What are your plans for this Valentine's Day? Do let me know on the comment section down below. I am also excited. Let me see where my husband is going to take me out. I am excited. The Camo Concealer Sponge. Let's see how this works. So I'm going to use a mirror to get a closer view. You can see the coverage of this foundation and the way this sponge is blending my foundation, melting it into my skin, straight away into the skin. It's a very beautiful sponge. I have used it when I got it. I purchased this from Nykaa the time it has launched. So I got a very beautiful steal deal wherein I purchased the foundation and the sponge and I got an eyeliner free, a liquid liner free. The liner is very beautiful. I'm going to use it in this video so that you can see the application of the liner. You can see the coverage this foundation gives and also the smoothness because of this sponge. Trust me, a very beautiful sponge, and I can see the hype, the rave this sponge is creating all over the internet. Especially all the Indian YouTubers are getting crazy about this sponge. Everybody is recommending this sponge here and there in their videos. I can see the hype. You can also see the way this sponge has given me the flawless type of finish in my foundation. Very beautiful sponge. Let's see the way this sponge performs when I use concealer. So for concealer, I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline's Age Divine Concealer. I'm going to use wherever I require extra coverage. I'm not using too much, very little. By now you know wherever I like to apply concealer. Wherever I require extra coverage, only those areas I like to apply concealer. See, you can see the concealer works so brilliantly with this sponge. It just melts into your skin and gives you that perfect amount of coverage, I would say. There is no cakiness, no harsh lines, nothing. It blends your concealer beautifully into your skin. And you can also see the coverage this sponge gives you with the help of your concealer. I'm covering with my lids also, so that the grayness on my lids fades away. You don't require too much efforts also to blend this concealer, because this sponge makes your things much easier. I'm done with the blending and I'm happy with the coverage. To set my concealer into place, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Contour Palette. From this, I'm going to use this banana powder, and with the help of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge, I'm going to take this product and seal my concealer into place. You know why I love this contour and bronze palette? Because this powder instantly brightens up my under eyes, and I don't need to use too much of concealers to brighten my under eyes. It already gives me that coverage which I require. It does 2-in-1 work for me. As you can see, I get the coverage and I also seal my concealer into place. These are my problematic areas where I tend to get oily. So I seal my concealer into place, I set my base, and also I get that brightening effect which you get by using two types of concealers. So this palette could be a great investment for you. This Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. This is not a sponsored video. These are all my trusted products and I am recommending it to you. You can try this palette. So let's quickly jump into the eyes now. For today's look, I'm going to use the LA Colors Rose Eyeshadow Palette to create this look. This is a very beautiful palette. As you can see, it has all the shades which I require to create this look. All golden, mauve, gold, copper, all beautiful brown and very beautiful Valentine's type of shades. So I'm going to quickly start with the crease shade. I'm going to pick this shade from the palette here. This is the darkest mauve shade in the palette. I'm going to use this to create a transition on my crease. I'm going to make this look a little bit of ombre. You're going to see it as the video moves further. Doing the same on the other eye as well. You need not be very precise. You can blend it in circular motions to just get an flawless application. It will smoothen out your look. See, this is looking so beautiful. Only the transition shade is very beautiful. The color payoff of this palette is bomb, I would say. I'm going to take this shade right here in the palette. This is the brown shade, darkest brown shade in the palette. And I'm going to deepen the outer corner of the eye. Oops, I've spilled a little bit of eyeshadow on the inner corner of the eye. I'm just going to dab the wet beauty blender to remove the excess powder. See, it just disappeared. Blending all the eyeshadows. Just diffusing the brown and the mauve shade together. Doing the same on the other eye as well. Taking it from the outer corner into the crease and also blending it on the lid as well. I created one look with the help of this palette on my anniversary, which was on 25th of December, and I got so many compliments because of the eye look. So I thought of creating a very beautiful Valentine's look with this palette and give you a thought on what I think about this palette. If you feel like buying, this is a very reasonable palette on Nykaa, and it has bomb pigmentation. So I'm going to move further. I'm going to take this purplish shimmery shade in the palette here, and I'm going to switch my brush. I'm taking a flat fluffy brush to get the pigment in my brush, and I'm going to apply this shade on the center of my lid. See, the pigmentation of the shimmer shadows are also bomb. I'm taking some more. One swipe for one eye is just the pigmentation that you require. Because you're going for subtle look, you need not build your shimmery shade. See, the pigmentation is so beautiful. Very beautiful. It has a little bit of fallouts, but that you can take care of with your wet beauty blender. I don't mind a little bit of fallout. Unless the pigmentation should be on point, then fallout is okay. You get fallouts even in your chunky, glittery, pigmented eyeshadows. Loose eyeshadows, I mean to say. So let's move further now. I'm going to take a smaller brush to just highlight the inner corners of my eye and my brow bone. So I'm going to take this gold shade in the palette here. This is a very beautiful copperish gold shade. So this is going to amplify my look and give me a very beautiful glowy look. I'm using this in the inner corner of my eye. It has a little bit of orange tint to it. So this will take my look to the next level. Also using it on the brow bone and blending it with a very fluffy brush. I'm blending it with a concealer brush to get that precise application on the brow bone area, because I don't want over pigmentation in that particular spot. Doing the same on the other eye. See, with some shades you won't require to build your brush also with the eyeshadow. One swipe is just good enough. I'm just going to blend it. So far I'm so happy with the way this look has turned out to be. So I'm going to just give a hint of color to the lower lash line. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to mix this shade purple and brown shade which I have used on my crease and my outer corner. I'm going to mix both the shades and I'm going to tight line my lower lash line. This is going to immediately give a depth to my look. See, you can see the difference in the smudged lower lash line and no color on the lower lash line. It can immediately make your look very deeper and very, very romantic, I would say. You can immediately see the difference the lower left lash line is going to make in the entire look. If you want to clean out your edges, you can take your wet beauty blender and clean out your edges very finely. See, the look is looking so beautiful. To complete this eye look and to make everything look very beautiful and seamless and brought together, I'm going to use the e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm going to show you the consistency of this liquid liner. It has a very beautiful thin tip, and you can see the application also. It's highly pigmented and very beautiful. One swipe and you get high pigmentation. So I'm going to apply it off camera and be right back. So after your eyes have done the talking, I'm going to apply a little bit of flush of pink to my cheeks. For that, I'm using a liquid lipstick from Smashbox. This is in the shade Gulabe. To take this on the back of my hand, and I'm going to show you how to apply that perfect pinky rosy cheeks for your glam and beautiful makeup looks. So I'm going to take this on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take the same beauty blender from e.l.f. and I'm going to use Fix Plus, MAC Fix Plus, to just spritz a little bit of Fix Plus onto my blender, and I'm going to take this damp blender and blend this in the product. You can take your time because it will give you play time because you have used Fix Plus. So I'm going to apply it right on the apples of my cheeks. You can immediately see how seamlessly this blends into your skin and gives you a beautiful glow of color from within. This looks as if you are blushing from within. Taking the same again and blending it on the other cheek. This is effortless, and this trick is also helpful to make your blush last longer. Taking whatever is left onto my hand, again building it up to get that pinky rosy lips and rosy cheeks. You can take your time to blend it till you are happy with the pigmentation and the way it looks. I really love the application of this lipstick, liquid lipstick especially, onto the cheeks. And because this lipstick is very creamy, this is going to last you all day long. The last and the most exciting part of this makeup look is going to be my lipstick. So I'm going to use the Lakme's Forever Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Mauve Fling for this particular look. This lipstick and this lip shade is going to amplify my look. You're going to see it. As I was keeping the entire look in the mauvish category, I thought of going for this beautiful mauve shade. To highlight my face, I'm going to again use the LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade right here in the palette to highlight the high points of my face to make my skin look glowy and very shiny. Using it on my brows as well. You can also build this up. You can see the coverage this highlighter is going to give you. This is an all-in-one palette. If you invest in palette like this, you will not need to buy too much of extra makeup. One such palette and you are good to go. So I think I'm feeling very glowy and also I'm looking very glowy. So here's the final look, guys. Hope you loved it and hope you enjoyed my video. If you like such type of looks, do comment down in the comment section below and let me know what other type of makeup looks you want to see on my channel. I'll be delighted to create it for you. If you like this look, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.